little wide, but oh well. It's a nice day. In a couple days, it's gonna rain. It's nice to be out. Just gonna go for a ride. I don't have a destination, I'm just gonna ride around. It's a beautiful day. I know it's a same old route, but I don't work at that one place anymore. And it's a good thing. It was the best thing that ever happened to me. And I'm loving it. I even see my occasional customers from the old place. They just talk about birds and good things. I see a giant bird of prey. I waved at you. He didn't wave back. Maybe he didn't see me. I don't know. And I don't care. Oh, hey, a friend. Maybe. Give him plenty of space. I want this lane. Oh, bird. Hopefully it doesn't sound like I'm breathing heavy into the mic. I kind of twisted it a little bit. I gotta get a better setup. That's the goal. And this thing has good gas mileage. I love it. Just documenting my rides. Found a bug. Glad I have a helmet. Hi, friend. I'm such a dork. Nice. I'm gonna take my half out of the middle. Gonna take my half out of the middle. I'm actually thankful that Toyota's acting as a barrier between me and that Tesla. Nice. I'm making friends. Probably to the dumbest wave ever, though. Oh well. I'm on a Honda Ruckus. I can only do the speed limit eventually in a school zone. Zoom zoom. Oh, it feels so good to ride. There's a lot to talk about, but since it's been a hot minute since I've gone riding, I need to really focus. Focus. See what I capture. Just enjoy the ride. Enjoy the birds. So far I haven't seen anything crazy, which is good. I don't want to hold anybody up, and I do not like letting people out, because if they get into a wreck, I'm partially liable. At least in this state, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's a cute house. Bird. Donuts is still there. Yeah, thank you for giving me lots of space and cushioning me with that black Tesla. Teslas can't see. Oh, yeah? Yep. Oh, see you later. Bye. Yoo-hoo. This is a nice day for... I'm making friends. I knew that. Oh, gosh, that is a nice Toyota Tacoma driver. Oh, please don't give me a runny nose. The allergies have been kicking the living daylights out of everybody, even especially at work. Dumps. Oof. Oh, these tires are so awesome. No, I'm not going to the bird store. Dear Ram, please don't ram me. Time to go uphill. Whee! Thank you for your patience, Dodge Ram. I could do it. Trying to dodge all these craters. Not going that way. Ew. Little bit of memory lane. Still a pretty neighborhood, though. It's just in a bad area. Especially for taxes. And definitely crime. Guess I could turn my signal off. Gonna go around the world to the right. Ah, here's this view that I miss. There's only 3 things I miss about working there at the old place. Obviously the birds. Definitely my customers. And, well, the commute. The commute was good. But now I get to make my own commutes. My own routes. I'm just riding around. Da-da-da-da-da. Stay over there, please. Thank you. Oh, Bumpity bumpity bump bump bump. Oh hey, Scooter Bud! Oh, it's the best bud, dude. Yes, that made my day. Yahoo! That was awesome. That totally made my day. Totally made my day. I guess the best part about this job, this new job, I'll still say it's a new job. I haven't been there for a full 6 months yet. I've already gotten Employee of the Month, and I guess I'm doing really good. One of the best things about my job are not only my customers, but the kids, and it's dog friendly. Customer brought in his son Conyer. It was on his shoulder. I wish it would have stepped up for me. Lots of dogs. I saw what looked like a German Shepherd mix that had heterochromia. That was pretty cool. It was a gorgeous dog. Gorgeous, gorgeous dog. Lots of cute pups. Ooh, that looked nice, all shining up. Oh, it's a nice old truck. Woo! Want to race? God, that's a lot of clothes. Wow. Look at the beautiful trees. Smells like lilac in here. I love the smell of lilac. Oh, that's for sale? Ooh, I want that truck. Somebody else gonna buy it. We have nowhere to put it. I see a friend. Dude. Hey. Alright, cool. Baby chicks? Oh dear. Must avoid baby chicks. What kind of chicks? Chicken chicks? Turkey chicks? Pea chicks? I'm going around the world to the left. Do, 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 do. Must come to a complete and full stop. I don't want to go home, but I need to go home. Dang it. Oh well, there'll be more riding this summer. I have stuff to do, stuff to do. 'Twas fun.